engine oil level directly affects your engine's health and performance. The oil must stay between minimum and maximum levels for optimal operation. These diagrams show proper oil level monitoring. Regular checking prevents both underfill and overfill conditions that can damage your engine. When oil levels drop too low, several critical problems occur. Increased friction between moving parts generates excessive heat and accelerates component wear. Oil pump cavitation occurs when there's insufficient oil, leading to pressure loss. In severe cases, this can cause complete engine seizure within just a few hundred miles. This damaged bearing shows the result of insufficient lubrication. Bearing replacement can cost $2,000 to $4,000, while complete engine rebuilds range from $4,000 to $8,000. Overfilling creates different but equally serious problems. When oil levels are too high, the crankshaft contacts the oil surface, causing aeration and foaming. Overfilled engines experience significant performance penalties. Power output drops by 5 to 15%, while fuel consumption increases by 2 to 8% due to increased internal resistance. Excess oil can burn and damage the catalytic converter. This critical emissions component converts harmful pollutants into safer compounds, but oil contamination can cause expensive failures. Modern turbocharged engines are particularly sensitive to oil level variations. These high-performance engines can suffer catastrophic failure within just 500 miles of severe oil underfill conditions. The financial impact of incorrect oil levels is substantial. Bearing replacements cost $2,000 to $4,000, while complete engine rebuilds can exceed $8,000. The average repair cost for oil-related damage is $3,200. Maintaining proper oil levels is one of the most cost-effective ways to protect your engine investment. Regular monitoring prevents these expensive failures and ensures optimal performance. Recognizing oil level problems early can save your engine from catastrophic damage. We'll examine the warning signs and practical solutions for both low and high oil conditions. Low oil levels create immediate warning signs. The most obvious is your dashboard oil pressure light, which illuminates when oil pressure drops dangerously low. You'll also hear concerning sounds from the engine. Knocking, ticking, or grinding noises indicate metal parts are making contact without proper lubrication. Performance symptoms include reduced power, rough idling, and blue smoke from the exhaust as the engine burns oil trying to maintain lubrication. If you notice low oil symptoms, stop driving immediately. Check the oil level with the engine off for 5 to 10 minutes to allow oil to settle in the pan. Add oil in small amounts, typically half a quart at a time. 1 quart usually raises the level from minimum to maximum. Always use the manufacturer-specified viscosity like 5W30. Overfilled oil creates different but equally serious symptoms. You'll see white or blue smoke from the exhaust as excess oil burns in the combustion chamber. The excess oil becomes foamy and aerated, reducing its lubricating effectiveness. You may also notice oil leaks as increased pressure forces oil past seals and gaskets. To fix overfilled oil, you must drain the excess. Use the drain plug underneath the car or an extraction pump through the dipstick tube to remove oil until the level reaches the maximum mark. For overfills exceeding 1 quart, seek professional service. Mechanics have proper equipment to safely drain and refill your engine with the correct amount of oil. Regular monitoring prevents both conditions. Check your oil monthly when the engine is cold, and always use the manufacturer-specified oil viscosity shown in your owner's manual. Remember, proper oil levels keep your engine running smoothly. When in doubt, consult a qualified mechanic rather than risk expensive engine damage from incorrect oil levels.